Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're diving into some lesser-known iPhone features that can seriously up your iOS game. If you've ever felt like you're not using your iPhone to its full potential, stick around because we've got some hidden gems for you. Let's jump right in. First up, did you know you can create a hidden album in your Photos app? Perfect for those private photos you don't want everyone to see. Head to your Photos, select a photo, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and choose Hide. You can find your hidden treasures in the hidden album. Next, let's talk about Back Tap. It's a game changer in accessibility settings. Enable it, and suddenly you can perform custom actions with a double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and find Back Tap to set it up. Ever wished your iPhone had a screen zoom? Well, it can. Head to Settings, Accessibility, and turn on the zoom. Now, your iPhone is a versatile magnifying tool. Perfect for reading small text or examining tiny details. Just double-tap the screen with 3 fingers to zoom in and zoom out. Here's a feature originally designed for hearing aids but useful for everyone. It's called Live Listen. Enable it in Control Center settings. You can find it as a hearing, and suddenly your iPhone becomes a directional microphone. Great for capturing audio from a distance. Tired of stretching your fingers to type? Fear not. Open your keyboard and long tap on the globe icon. Pop-up window will show up. Here you can choose on which side you want the keyboard to be. You can change it anytime. And there you have it. 5 hidden iPhone features that can truly enhance your iOS experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech goodness, and let me know in the comments which feature surprised you the most. Until next time.